Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So from the title you guys can tell that I'll be doing reviews on these two babies right here. And if you guys haven't seen my first part of the Olens Spanish collection, definitely do check that out first before you watch this, just because in this video I won't be covering too much of the Spanish collection rather than just talking about more of the details of this two new edition, because I feel like in the first video I covered quite a bit on, you know, the diameter and stuff like that, and just other details that you would like to know about the Spanish collection. So let's get started on these two colors. So first, these two boxes, they are monthly again. I know that the gray one and the brown one, they just released the daily disposable ones if you guys are interested. So I sort of have a feeling that they might do the same for this as well, but don't quote me on that yet. But for now it's just monthly, which means one box consists of two contact lenses right here, which means for a pair of eyes. But if you have eye power with different eye power like me, which it means that you just have to buy two. However, if you do buy from the actual Olens global site, they are still promoting the buy one get one still, so definitely grab your hands on this. So let's talk about the Spanish Real Olive first. So the Spanish Olive is just a green color, and I really like this one because it is such a beautiful green on my eyes. It really reminds me a lot of the Fresh Look green, but the Fresh Look green color has more of that black outer ring, which makes it look a little bit unnatural. But this one, because the diameter is smaller, it fits, it just hugs onto my eye really nicely and just make my eye look really natural, even though it doesn't have that black outline. However, this one just blends so well into my eyes, which makes it look like it's part of my eye, if that makes sense. It makes it look like I have natural green color eye. Like, it's not too light, it is such a beautiful, perfect olive green color on my eyes. It has consists a little bit of that hazel in the middle part as well, which just blends so well into the eyes. I don't know how many times I say eyes, I don't know how many times I say natural. That's what I can tell you, and I'm sure you guys can see from the demo that, you know, it just looks so beautiful on my eyes. And I just love people with green eye color because I feel like it just looks so beautiful, and it's just, yeah. And I feel like with this particular eye color, I can just pull it off and people would just think I have green eye, maybe. But let me know what you guys think. But I really do like this particular green eye color. It is definitely very different from the brown. Obviously the brown has more of that brown hazel look to it, but if you want more of the green look, definitely go for this olive one. Now next, this is the Real Peach, which is what I'm wearing right now, and I decided to buy this anyway, even though I'm not really a pink peachy person, because the last pink color contact lens that I wore was the Bausch and Lomb one, and that was not natural at all, guys. Like, it's the diameter first, it was so big, and the pink was just like bright pink, and when I wore it, it just looked like red on my eyes. Some people pull it off really nicely, but on me it just didn't go that well. But with this one, like, you guys can't even tell that I'm wearing a pink contact lens. If you look close up right now, all you can see, it just look like a nudie pinky color on my eyes, and I don't know how to explain this color. I feel like this color is very unique on my eyes, you know, again, because the Spanish collection tries to make sure that it blends with your natural eye color. So for me, because my eye, it is a dark brown or like black, on the pink itself just looks very nice on my eyes. I cannot tell you that it is natural, but it looks natural enough to pull off this look right here. I really like this color because it is very unique, and if I do wear it out, and I did wear it out, no one really said anything. No one said, oh, what color are you wearing on your eyes? Because, like, you know, it just looks pretty natural on the eyes. And I mean, it is not subtle, like subtle as well. It just looks, I don't know how to explain. Like, it just, I like it a lot that it just left me speechless, I guess. I mean, it is so unique, you know, and the model itself, you can see that brighter side to it. But for me, obviously, and again, for anybody else who have different eye color, natural eye color, it will be different on everybody. But for me in particular, like, it just looks like this, and I really do like it. It's like, I don't need to be concerned of what eye makeup I need to wear, because you know sometimes if you wear a gray contact lens, you have to make your eyes more like darker looking. But with this one, like, you know, with the brown eyeshadow, it goes really well. I'm assuming if I do like a smoky eye, it will probably go really well as well. And I feel like this one just make your eyes look a little bit sexy too, if that makes sense. So I really hope that explains the contact lens for this particular eye color. I just think that this is such a unique color, and if you guys are interested in expanding your contact lens collection or trying new color, I would definitely recommend this because it is very unique. And I myself use a lot of contact lens. I've never tried something like this before, and definitely I would choose this over any other pink color contact lens ever, because this looks really great on me. And yeah, I feel like I pull it off really well. What do you guys think? Those are my review on those two contact lens. I know this is not really like a full in-depth one, but definitely check out my other Spanish collection because I did review the other 3 colors there. But I really like these 2 colors here because they are such a unique color to the other collection. It makes me wonder if they will be doing any other color for this particular Spanish collection. I feel like they already cover up most of the colors that I know of. You know, you have the blue, you have the gray, the brown, the pink, the green. Is there any other colors I'm mixing out? Can't think of any other colors. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want me to try any other Olens Spanish contact lens, definitely put it down in the comment box below. And if you have any other questions about this Spanish collection, definitely put it down here because I'm more than happy to reply back to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.